Hey everyone, in this video we will learn prolific tips and tricks to earn more. Prolific is a reliable platform where you can earn money by taking part in academic and market research studies. Make sure your profile is complete and accurate to get matched with better studies. Also, use tools like Prolific Assistance or set up notifications to alert you when new studies are available. Keep the Prolific site open and refresh it often, especially during busy hours like weekday mornings in UK time. Choose studies that pay more per hour instead of focusing only on the amount you can earn. Answer all surveys truthfully and carefully to maintain a high approval rate and get more study invites. Avoid using VPNs or false information on your profile, as this can lead to being banned from the site. Check Prolific multiple times a day to catch new surveys and increase your chance of earning. Some users recommend using a second device to quickly respond to surveys while staying within the rules. By being consistent and strategic, you can steadily increase your earnings and make Prolific a good side income. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.